Anna Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the first time you will ever see a box like this on my channel. This is my first ever order from Hobonichi and I'm really excited. I actually did a group order with 3 other ladies here in the city that I live in so we could all share the cost of customs and shipping, and it was ordered on September 1st and actually arrived yesterday, September 8th. So really quick actually from Japan. So I'm going to show you guys what I have ordered. Let's get started. So opening up, I know that you guys probably have already seen a few Hobonichi hauls, but I love the message on the front and I love that it's in Japanese and in English as well. And then opening it up. Now this has my order as well as my friend Adrian's order, so there's going to be a mix of stuff in here. But one of the freebies was this spoon. Not sure of the whole significance of the spoon, but you can add them to your keychain. I'll show you guys that in a little bit here. And then, oh, this, I think that one's mine. There's pens. There we go. The 2, oh yes, we both ordered Cousin avec and cover and pencil boards. Okay, so I've taken all of my stuff out of the box and I've put my friend Adrian's order to the side, and I'm not going to open her order. She can have the pleasure of doing that herself. So with what I ordered, I got these exclusives. So I got 2 pens. I got a pen and a spoon for ordering the Hobonichi Techo Cousin avec, and then I got a pen for ordering the weeks, and then I also ordered a pencil board for the Hobonichi Techo. So I'm going to show you guys the pen here, and from what I've seen, they do a different pen every year, and this one's kind of like a mint green. And do you guys remember pens from like junior high school where they had like the 3 different colors? But I'm just unscrewing it now because it came a little bit loose. But yeah, it's just a ballpoint pen. You guys can see that. And then you've got the 3 different colors, blue, red, black. And then you've got the words Hobonichi Techo 2022 on the side, looking at other details, and it's just a uni. Perfect. So I have 2, I have 2 of those, which is actually great. I may not use a ballpoint pen, but it's always nice to collect pens, which is another rabbit hole to go down. And then this one, if you guys like ASMR, one of the things that I've noticed about the Hobonichi hauls is just all of the wrapping. Love the sound of that. So it comes with this cute little card, and then there's the spoon, and it comes with a chain, so you can attach the chain to that part of the spoon. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for just yet. I might just add it to my keychain, but look, it's got that cute little smiley face on there. How cute is that? All right, so those are the exclusives that came with my order. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the Hobonichi Techo Cousin avec. And while I'm opening it, you guys will probably notice that I am completely switching my planner lineup. At the beginning of 2022, I had 7 planners. I think it was 7 planners, and they were all happy planner, and I had big plans of using all of them, and I just didn't. Towards June, well, really towards April and May, it felt like a lot of work to keep up with using them all, to keep up with doing videos for them all. And if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you'll know exactly how I feel, or how I felt during that time. Ooh, that's pretty. So what I wanted to do for 2022 was really just simplify everything. And really, one of the main reasons that I'm changing my planner setup is, 1, like I said, to simplify. 2, it was just so overwhelming. All of the stickers, all of the accessories, all of the planners, it became way too much. And for the minimalist that I am, it was creating more anxiety than feeling peaceful. And planning shouldn't leave you feeling disorganized and all over the place. It really should help you organize your life. So anyway, what I've opened up here first is the Tesho Cousin Avec. So this is actually an A5 size, and there's 2 books in here. One for January to June, and then one for July through to December. And basically, I haven't actually looked in here, but the cover feels like a very thick cardboard. Open that up, and oh, I am so excited to use this paper. So here you've got the year at a glance. You've got 2021, 2022, and then 2023, so you can see last year's as well. And then you've got the year at a glance pages. Now with these pages, I'm actually hoping to either use them as a habit tracker. I think I'm going to use them as habit trackers, kind of similar to what I've been doing in my Hemlock and Oak monthly pages, because I think by the end of the year, once you see this all filled in, it'll just look amazing. And do the same for this. And then here you have the monthly spread. So in my monthly spread, this is where I will be pre-planning, where I'll also be doing my social media. So I'll be planning out my Instagram and YouTube posts in here as well. So mostly for pre-planning events and things, as well as, like I said, social media. So that, and what I like about the Hobonichi is that all the months are in the beginning. So anything social media related, anything pre-planning is all together. And then you get to the weekly pages, and it starts on December 27th. And I just love the detail in here. You've got the grid, and it's a 24-hour clock, so it goes from 5 to 5. Plenty of space on the side. And yes, like you can see the shadowing from the other side, but the thing with this paper is that if you're using the right type of pen and the right pressure, you won't see that shadowing. I am so happy with this. And then in the back, you've got, ooh, so then after the weekly pages, I am such a Hobonichi newbie. So after all the weekly pages, so it goes to the end of June. Oh boy. Then turning the page to a new year, then you get into the daily pages, and this I will be using as a journal. So the weekly pages will kind of be like my catch-all for, everyday things like that. My dailies will become my journal, where I'm going to track my meals, any to-do lists. It's a huge space for me to get creative. And then at the very back, you have a few more grid pages as well, some informational pages in Japanese. But I decided to buy 2 books, the Cousin avec, because knowing me, with the amount of stickers that I'll probably use, this is going to end up pretty chunky. And I have bought a Moterm A5 Plus cover, which is coming next week, so I'm hoping that that will be able to fit these. But I'm just so excited to have basically everything besides work, that's in the weeks, basically everything. So social media, my everyday catch-all, my journal, and even my fitness, all in here. So excited for that. Didn't even open this, but I think from what I've seen from Hobonichi hauls, this comes in basically every planner. So you get the Have a Neanderful Year. Instead of meow, they say nyan in Japanese. And I think it just gives you a little bit of some product information. Go, and the same thing, you get the same thing in the weeks. So the weeks, you can see, is significantly, I say significantly, but significantly smaller than the Cousin. So not as tall and definitely not as wide. My purpose for using the weeks, before I even get into that, just look at the cover. It feels like this kind of cloth cover, and I feel like it'll stand up pretty well because I won't be taking this anywhere. This is going to be strictly a work planner. What fell out of here was kind of an adhesive pocket, so you can put this on the side here, which actually I might do or just even in the front here. We'll see what I decide to do with it. But with this, similar to the Cousin Avec, you've got your year at a glance here, and then your pages here. And I'm going to be using this planner for both work and for my shop. So what I might do for work is, as you can see, they're all in Japanese, but what I might do is just keep track of sales in here for my shop. And then again, what I love about the Hobonichi is all of the months are together. So the monthly spreads will be just for my shop. So basically anything in this front part of my planner is going to be just for my shop, and then any of the weekly pages are going to be for my actual day-to-day work, and then there's a bunch of notes pages in the back. Originally, I was going to just use this for work, and there's 2 bookmarks there. I was just going to use this for work, but I knew that I wasn't going to be using the monthly pages, and this is going to be just enough space for me to do shop planning, things like that. So combining the 2 of them together, I was actually going to purchase a 3rd planner, but realized this is going to be perfect for my work because I'll be able to put my meetings here, my to-do lists, and then here will be all of my notes. So I think this will be really perfect going into 2022. And then the last thing I bought was a pencil board. So this, wasn't sure how this would feel, but this is actually quite smooth. It says tools and toys, and it's a navy blue with a pink grid that says today. And you've got kind of a ruler down the side, absolutely. And then basically just stick it in your tacho. You can stick it like that or stick it like that, whatever you prefer. And actually it's great as a writing tool to put underneath your sheets as a smooth surface to write on. So that, let's put this back in here, is my first ever Hobonichi haul. I am so excited to get into a much more simplified planning system for 2022. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.